Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you we couldn't install a required dependency on Valorant. So first of all, to fix that we have to go to the My PC and you have to go to the Windows C and search for a folder like Riot Vanguard, and as you can see here is the last one vgtray.exe. So you have to open that file, and after opening that file you have to look for Riot client and you make sure to exit from here, and after that you have to search for apps. We'll go to in apps and on the installed app option, and we'll just find the Riot client here, and you just have to install it. After uninstalling it successfully, you just have to restart your PC, and then after opening your PC you have to just run the Valorant app and you are good to go. And that's it for today. See you on the next one.